How to find XP ramp up challenges in Duolingo. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can find XP ramp up challenges in Duolingo. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First steps first, open up your Duolingo. So make sure that you are updated to the latest version, and after you do so, you will then need to head over to the shield icon on the bottom tab. Now the shield icon is basically a leagues tab, so tap on it. After you tap on it, you'll find something like this. Now here on the bottom right, you'll find a purple icon with arrows. So that is basically a lightning bolt or sometimes just arrow only. Now what that is your XP ramp up challenges. You can simply tap on it, and after you tap on it, you will then be navigated to XP ramp up challenge. So it should look something like this, and you can win up to 40 XP in under 2 minutes. So this is a really good opportunity to increase your XP on Duolingo. And yeah, that's basically how you find XP ramp up challenges in Duolingo. And you can use that to level up faster and more. And yeah, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye. Take care.